Um, this is not what it looks like. This is not a closet. I promise you. This is a time machine. I was trying to go back in time to stop myself from choosing to cop this. I'm gonna tell you what I tried to buy, but look, I'm gonna just let you know that's not a closet. Okay, so don't say nothing goofy in the comments. Stop it. I know you're about to. Stop it. I said stop it. You see this shirt right here. This is not the situation. This is not a vibe. This is not vibes. This is nothing that I'm cool with. I don't like this. I'm irritated. I'm mad. All sorts of stuff. Basically, I don't know if I was scammed, if I've been scammed, if I'm gonna be scammed. I don't know if I'm gonna get my cash, monies back. None of that. None of that. Ordering some shoes online. Really honestly wanted to create a video explaining how not to get scammed on eBay. How not to get scammed on eBay. And I'm sitting here not getting my correct items. Now that's a rookie mistake. I'm not gonna tell you no stories. To not ask for more pictures when I felt like I should have. But you would think you wouldn't have to. But what happened was this. I literally ordered a size 12 shoe. The money instantly came out of my account as soon as I purchased.
Stupid.
Got the shoe in once it got shipped. Size 12, size 11 and a half. Two different size shoes. I bet you're thinking, oh, that's not that big of a deal. On the contrary, my friend, that could actually change the way your arch is. I don't really have much of an arch. I'm pretty flat footed, but I do feel a difference when I tried them bad boys on. Now, the person, I'm not going to be mentioning names or anything like that, but the person that told me I could keep the item, they refund my money. I'm like, all right, cool. Affirmative. I likes that. I'm cool with that. Sorry for the inconvenience type of thing. Then they hit me with this. We tried to refund, well, not we, but I tried to refund your money. It wouldn't let me. What? It wouldn't let you, but it let it come out of my stuff. It let it come out of my stuff, but it won't let you put it back into my stuff. Cool. Cool. So I'm sitting there like, all right, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I have no clue. They tell me that it's gonna close in my favor. I'm like, I haven't even opened a case, my boy. I haven't even asked eBay to step in. Because fun fact, you can't ask eBay to step in until about 3 days after you contact the seller. So I had to wait for that. The moment that day came, I asked eBay to step in. I'm not gonna josh you. I had to do it. Had to do it. Asked them to step in, they replied back swiftly, quickly, super duper flash fast, and said, we gonna close this case in your favor. But wait. They told me that I gotta ship the item back by a certain date for the refund to be, to happen and get to my money being back to me. What? When I got messages from the person saying that they gonna be cool, you know what I'm saying, just let me have the product. Now I'm not saying I don't want to send their stuff back, but I've already been told this. We've already agreed this. I didn't even ask to keep the item. I was gonna just send that bad boy back. You feel me? In the box that they gave it to me in, smack the new sticker on there and be done. But they offered to let me keep it as a, sorry, my bad type of thing. I'm like, all right, cool. Because nowhere in the description, nowhere in the title, nowhere at all told that them shoes was not the same size. Period. Now, so what does that mean from now on? I'm going to ask for pictures of the tags. Not one picture of the tag, one of each tag. I need to make sure this is the exact stuff that I'm wanting. I don't want two different size shoes. My feet, from what I understand and what I've known of these bad boys over the years, they are the same size. Maybe a little bit, who knows? They might be just that much off. Just that much. But they not no doggone whole. Oops, didn't mean to cuss. But they not no whole, size apart. Whole half size apart. No, they're not. Period. Point blank. Also, the real part that really got me. I never had a pair of these kicks before. Didn't know how they run. Some different shoes run different sizes, right? Okay. Why did this shoe, the size 12, fit like a size 12 and a half? 12 and a half? The size 11 and a half fit like a 12. My feet confused, disoriented. They don't know what's going on. They're like, what did you put us in? Clown shoes? What are you doing? Get your mans. That's what my feet were saying. They were saying we don't want to be here no more. We want to leave. We don't like you no more. Period, point blank. You got to go. We're going to find a new person to be attached to. They ain't say all that, but look, I'm just saying, like, they wasn't happy with me. I wasn't happy with myself. I could feel the difference in the shoes because they are not brand new kicks, but they are not worn down, beat down kicks. I'm going to show you what they look like right now. Boom. These bad boys do not look raggedy at all. You know what I'm saying? They have not been beat down. They have not been tore up from the floor up. None of that. None of that stuff. They literally look great, but I can feel the difference. I can feel where, one foot wants to be rested in a certain spot, and I can feel where it's kind of awkward for the other shoe, or the other foot, I should say. It just feels weird where you know how different shoes have different, like, how the sole is made. Like, you can feel that it's a difference. So I feel like one foot feels cool because it's the size that I asked for. The other shoe, not so much. Anyway, I guess I might add to this, or maybe pin it in a comment if I don't add to this, and explain whether or not I got my money back. Because as of right now, as we check live and direct, I do not have my money back, and it just ain't there. And I want my money. It's my money and I need it now. Now, if I go to the actual messages, the last message I sent to the person, the last message they sent to me, it says the case will close in your favor as it stated and you will get your money back. The message they sent me before that, it said, great, exclamation point. Don't send item back. But eBay told me to. So right now I'm scared. I'm Confucia. So what I sent them, sorry about all this. I know you said keep the item. I just wanted to let them know that because they kept repeating keep the item. You get to keep the item, blah, 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 here and there. And just, messages back and forth. So I'm just letting them know I remember. You don't got to keep telling me. So it says, sorry about all this. I know you said to keep the item. So when you mark it that you received it and it refunds the money, I'll be leaving a 5-star review as soon as it refunds it because you've done all you can and the best that you can to resolve the issue. And I greatly appreciate it because I do. I do appreciate it. They did not have to message me back. They could have just left me in the dark. They at least told me it wasn't working. Do I believe them? I'm gonna be real. No, because I don't really see why it wouldn't be refunding your doggone money when you just gotta click a button. But that's besides the point. But at least they didn't leave me in the dark. They didn't just sit there and be like, you know what? I'm not fooling with you right now. I'm not fooling with you. Peace. They could have did me like that. But hey, at least they was replying back. Then I'm not gonna lie, sometimes they was replying back the next day and we literally were just replying back and forth quickly, and then they'd be like, nothing. I'm like, dang. But they would eventually get back to me, so could be worse. So, like I said, I'm gonna let y'all know in the pinned comment, or I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know by adding a little extra into this. Depending on when I get this bad boy out, who knows? But I'm gonna just tell you right now, it's my money, and I need it now.